Hi everybody. So I'm going to make you a quick video how to create a Google Slideshow. The reason why I'm making this is there are some students who haven't had the opportunity to create a Google Slideshow, and I don't want you to be feeling as if you don't know what's going on. So first things first, you can get to your Google Drive and slide over to the new, and you're looking for the software that says Google Slides. It's a yellow square thing. You click on it. And the first thing you always do is you give your document, slide, whatever it is that you're working on, a title. Since you are a student that will be turning things in, always put your name on it. All right, now that my name is there, Google Slideshow has already kind of set me up with the first thing I should kind of do, which is over here looking at the themes. Themes are just what you want your slideshow to kind of look like. So as you scroll through, you look for something that inspires you, something that will add a little bit of flavor, I guess you could say, to your presentation. So this one looks fun, pop, and it automatically dumps it into my slideshow. Next thing, I'm done with the theme, so I'm going to close that out. And the first slide is always a title page, which is very important. So all you do is you click inside the box and all the words disappear and you type your title. So I'm just going to call this Slideshow Lesson. The subtitle is something that you would give a little bit more information. So maybe it's going to be for your star reading teacher or your star math teacher, or it could also be that you just want to put your name on there again, which is fine. So I'm going to put my name on there again. And my first slide is all done. So now I need to add another slide. Over here is a plus sign. And if I add a plus, automatically it will be the exact same kind of slide. And that's not what I want. So there's this little down arrow. So I click on that and I have all of these other choices. So I can simply choose the very next thing. And I think what I'll do is I will add title only. Looks a little boring, but that's okay. So I'm just going to call this, I'm going to click inside, and I'm just going to call this Slide Show 1. Then, if I need to add some text information, I just click on the text box, and then I can start typing in this box. The text can always be changed to fonts and colors that you would prefer. Have a little fun with it, especially when it's a slideshow. You want to always make things a little bit more glamorous. So that's set up. Now I also want to put in a picture. So I slide over to the image side. I click on that and then I get all these different choices. I can upload from the files that I already have on my device. So if you're using your Chromebook or a laptop or some other device, you can upload it from your own files. You can actually take a snapshot from your computer. You can look something up from a different website. And you also have Google Drive and your albums. But to keep things simple, I'm going to click the word search. And there's a Google Omnibox right here. So the only thing I'm going to do is I'm going to type in something that I need to look for. And there they are. There's a whole bunch of puppies right there. So I can choose between all of them. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on this really sweet picture. Oh, so cute, but so gigantic, and not at all what I want as far as the sizing. So I can adjust the size by clicking on the little boxes around the picture. And that seems to look a little bit nicer. But I think I want my background to stand out a little more. So instead of a white background, I'm going to maybe make it a nice turquoise background. I'm going to add another slide. Slideshow 2. Again, you can edit anything, but this time I'm going to add in some shapes because sometimes I need to do some sort of geometry type of shape thing, or maybe I need to add an array inside to show a multiplication problem or some sort of repeated addition problem. So I can add an array by clicking the word insert and going to the word table. And all I need to do is so easy is slide over to how I need my array to look. And you can see I've developed a 4x4 array right there. Now it's not the colors that I want it to be, so I can shift the colors around. I can also kind of shrink my array. Let me change the line color so it stands out a little bit better on here. Maybe I need to have some sort of fun call out, whiz bang type of stuff. And now as you're getting into finishing up and you've put all your information on the slideshows, if you need to, you decide to change your mind on your theme, you can do that. You notice that the background that I changed earlier stays the same. I don't like the black one. There we go. That one's a little bit more my style. So now I need to add some transitions. So you click on the word transition and you're going to, what you can do is you can check out what it's going to look like when you move from one slide to the next slide. Click the word play and you get a preview, and that's what it's going to look like. If you need to change the speed, you click the word stop first. You can change how fast you want it to go. You can see I've slowed it down a lot. Whoa, that's super slow. If you want to try a different type, you click on the different one again. You click play, take a look, see how you like it this way. All right, that one looks fine to me. All right. Now you can apply it to all of your slides. I want to go also to the puppies. The puppies, I can add an animation just to them. So they can zoom in when I click. So this is what it's going to look like. I would go, then I would click, and they zoom in, and now I have animation on there. Now, before I turn it into a teacher, I always want to preview what I've made. So I'm going to click the word present. I should have clicked the word present from the first slide. That's a little better. So that's what it looks like from start to finish. And that should get you all started with creating a really great slideshow for any type of presentation for your class. Hope this helps.